Hello my YouTube friends, this is Hugh and Will. Welcome back. How you all doing today? Hey, today I'm blessed and grateful to get up, be healthy, be happy, and get to do what I love to do again. Another day, another opportunity for me to go out, do what I like, and share what I know. So today I would like to share with you how to replace an engine air filter and HEPA air conditioning filter for this Honda HRV. So let's get started. So you already know, just walk into first of all I'll show you how to replace the engine air filter, and then I'll walk around and show you how to do the cabin air conditioning air filter. So let's pop the hood. Let's get started. Pop the hood. The hood latch is on the driver's side, on the driver's side under the kick panel. So pop it. Then there's a latch under here, so you just push it to the right and then lift the hood up. And then we put the hood latch on, the hood holder rod on. So here's the engine bay of the Honda HRV. It's come with the 1.8 liter engine. Not the most powerful engine, but it's kind of cool to drive. And then here is the engine air filter. How do you open it to replace the filter? So there's a 3 latch on to hold down this top part right here. So we pop this one out, and then we just lift this top part up, and then we pull the filter out. So here you go. Here's your engine air filter, and to put it back in, just lift the top part up and slide a new filter back in. And then in the back there you see there's the knot there, the open knot. So just line up the back part with it, and then pop the clip backs on. There you go. That's how you replace the engine air filter. So let's go to the cabin air filter. So cabin air filter sitting behind this glove box right here. So how do we open it? So open the glove box, and as you know that on both sides there's a kind of like a sticking out latch that lock into the side, both sides of the dash. And then there's another secondary rod down here, so you push it out first. Just push it down and then slide it out, and then the both side you squeeze it, then the lock box will come out. So what we do is we squeeze it and then drop down the lock box, and here it is. You see the cabin air filter cover. So there's 2 latch on the both sides, this one and this one. Just push it and then remove it. So push it in, and then here you go. So the 2 latch there, 2 lock and tap. And then the cabin air filter exposed. You just pull it out, then put a new one back on. I don't have a new one, I just demonstrate to you how to do it. So alright, just put it back in. You see the arrow, the airflow is pointing down. So when you pull it out, just pay attention, but the arrow should facing down. Put it back on and put in the cover, making sure the locking clips, both of them are clicked in and locked in place. And just put it back on, and either you squeeze it in and then push it back on. There you go. Put back the secondary latch. There it is. That's how you replace the cabin air filter or AC air filter on the Honda HRV. That's how we do it. Pretty straightforward. Thank you, my friends. Thank you for checking this video out. Thank you for your supporting, and if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel so that you get new video whenever I put a new one up. Have a wonderful day. Take care and be safe out there, my friends. And oh, by the way, if you have any comment, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.